Thank you to Ron for that lovely introduction. I am so thrilled to speak with all of you today and be a part of this wonderful event. A special shout out to, from Ignite Long Island, President Anne Shabunko Moore, Executive Director Patrick Boyle, and Apprenticeship Director Michael Tedescu. From the Hauppauge Industrial Association of Long Island, President and CEO Terry Alessi Michelli, and from ADAPT, Chairman Bob Botticelli. Thank you to all of you for your co-sponsorship of today's events. I'd also like to acknowledge all of our partners in government, especially Suffolk County Executive Steve Bellone and Nassau County Executive Laura Curran. Events like these are so important because we all know the skills gap is real. It was real before the pandemic, and now that COVID has forever changed the landscape of our workforce, it is even more apparent. Employers across New York State have jobs they can't fill because there just aren't enough workers with a specific set of skills that they need. Engaging all of you, from our young people thinking about their future career paths to our business community, educators, and stakeholders, is an important part of the solution. To the young people participating today, Manufacturing Day is an amazing opportunity to introduce you to all that the world of manufacturing has to offer. On Long Island, there are 12 diverse industry sectors, from aerospace and defense to consumer goods and pharmaceuticals. These days, manufacturing does not consist of the stereotypical grease-covered floor in a factory. You need to imagine the possibilities. From designing aircrafts to the development of biotechnology to the cosmetics industry, there are a vast number of exciting opportunities available for everyone. And yes, I did say cosmetics. Did you know that Long Island houses one of Estee Lauder's first manufacturing facilities, and they participate in a New York State registered apprenticeship program for industrial manufacturing technician? We have 81 registered apprenticeship programs on Long Island, 3 of them in manufacturing, and we know that several of our business partners that are with us today have been working to expand those manufacturing opportunities for all of you. The emerging green economy and manufacturing of Long Island's offshore wind farms means even more groundbreaking and expansive opportunities. With over 3,000 manufacturers employing more than 70,000 people, the possibilities really are endless. In fact, over the last 12 months, more than 200 Long Island manufacturers have posted over 8,800 jobs. Advanced manufacturing provides jobs across the spectrum for those with a degree or without. Whether you take advantage of an apprenticeship program or the pathways offered through BOCES programs like Nassau and Eastern Suffolk, or one of Long Island's community colleges, or a four-year college or university such as Hofstra or Stony Brook, there are many gateways to your journey. What you learn here this morning could change your life. I hope all of you will go home with a new set of ambitions and a new path for your life. That's one of the most exciting things about my job as Labor Commissioner, seeing career exploration in action. And I am so excited for what the future holds for all of you. To the manufacturers, educators, and others participating today, thank you for taking the time to invest in the future of our young people. Manufacturing Day is a win-win. It's a wonderful stage for you to showcase your businesses and programs and shape the future of your workforce by opening your doors to the next generation of skilled workers. Manufacturing on Long Island is a critical economic driver for the region. By shining a spotlight on this ever-growing and ever-evolving industry, you are putting the young people of Long Island to work in the jobs of tomorrow. These impactful careers provide high-tech jobs for everyone, including women, minorities, and veterans. It provides opportunity for our young people to pursue more than just a job. It provides them a pathway to a career and the means to build a life and settle right here on the island they love. The New York State Department of Labor and Long Island's local workforce development boards work closely with our manufacturing companies to place skilled workers through the creation of registered apprenticeship programs, job fairs, and community outreach. In addition, we provide funding for industry training to our workforce partners. Now, we already have registered apprenticeship training outlines for advanced manufacturing programs, and we can work with any of you who are interested in providing these crucial training opportunities. Apprenticeships are a proven pathway to the middle class, and they help to provide a skilled pipeline of workers trained to your specifications. Manufacturing is going to be a leader in innovation and a driving force as we build back a better Long Island and a better New York. From our young people to our manufacturers, we are here to support all of you in your journey. It's our mission to help you succeed. I hope you have an amazing event, and all of you enjoy Manufacturing Day.